Beyond the noise, beyond the noise, they feast on shadows, call it truth. Build their kingdoms from a stolen view. Throw your name into the wolves at night, then act surprised when blood ignites. But I've seen the silence after all the rage, the tired eyes behind the cage, the hands that hold this broken house together when everything else comes apart at the weather. Everybody wants a villain, nobody wants the truth. You're beyond the noise, beyond the static in their mouths, beyond the ghost stories they pass around. They paint you black, but I've seen gold beneath the scars. I've seen the darkness lose a fight inside your heart. Let them scream your name like a curse. I know exactly who you are. You're beyond the noise. You're beyond the noise. They sharpen rumors into knives, then wonder why the good things die. But you keep carrying the weight they throw, like Alice with nowhere left to go. And every crack they celebrate, it's just another thing you survive. Funny how the people throwing stones never built a thing in their lives. Everybody wants the ending before they know the plot. You're beyond the noise, beyond the static in their mouths, beyond the ghost stories they pass around. They paint you black, but I've seen gold beneath the scars. I've seen the darkness lose a fight inside your heart. Let them scream your name like a curse. I know exactly who you are. When the lights go dead and the crowd disappears, when the echoes finally choke on themselves, you're still here. Not the monster they invented, not the stranger they describe, just the man who held my hand when I could barely survive. You're beyond the noise, beyond the smoke and mirror flames, beyond the cheap salvation of somebody else's blame. They paint you black, but they never touch your soul. And every wound they tried to open only showed me more gold. Let them scream until they're ghosts. Let them drown inside the sound. You'll still be standing long after the noise burns out.